Hello, everyone. My name is Rob Susel. I'm the Department Chair for the World Languages. Kent City Schools is pleased to offer the following languages up through levels AP in French and Spanish, and they are taught by the following teachers.
Bonjour les élèves de Stanton. Je m'appelle Madame Mikati. Bienvenue à Roosevelt. Au revoir.
Guten Tag. Ich heiße Herr Morgan.
Ich bin Frau Stefanek.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Wiedersehen.
Salvete omnes.
Mi nomen est Mr. Susel.
Mihi nomen est JP.
Valete omnes.
Hola chicos de Stanton. Buenas tardes. Me llamo Señora Looney.
Hola chicos, me llamo Señora Knight.
Hola chicos, me llamo Señora Wilson. Adios.
Learning a language boosts creativity, increases analytical skills, makes you more culturally aware, helps you develop better communication skills, understand the world better, improving your English, and increasing your job prospects are among just a few of the benefits. In addition, students have the opportunity to become part of a club, and these clubs often participate in joint events with the other language clubs. There are opportunities to travel overseas. Once COVID is gone, we will hopefully return to traveling to Germany and France and Spain and Rome. And at the end of their study, there's an opportunity for students to achieve the Ohio Seal of Biliteracy upon graduation. If you have questions about any of the things that you saw on the slide or just have general questions, please feel free to contact me. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.